Hi. So here we have the manufacturer of a table sells it to a wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesale dealer sells the table to a retailer at a profit of 30, and finally the retailer sells it to customer at a profit of 50%. Now if the customer pays 4,290 for the table, then what is the manufacturing cost? Okay, very standard question of percentage change. So we have a manufacturer. The manufacturer sells it to the wholesale dealer at a 10% profit. The wholesaler then sells it to the retailer at a 30% profit, and finally the retailer sells it to customer at a 50% profit. So if the price paid by the customer is 4,290, what is the price of the manufacturer or the cost of the manufacturer? So let's say the cost of manufacturer is M rupees. So this manufacturer sells it to the wholesaler at a 10% profit. So the cost price for the wholesaler will be 10% more than M. So this will be M into 1.1. Multiplication factor for 10% is 1 plus 10 by 100. So M into 1.1. Now the wholesaler's cost price is this, and he earns a profit of 30%. So the wholesaler sells it to retailer at a price which is 30% more than this price. So 30% more than this will be this price into 1.3. And finally the retailer sells it to the customer. So the customer's cost price will be 50% more than this price. So M into 1.1 into 1.3 into 1.5. This is going to be the price for the customer, which is given to us as 4,290. So let's make the equation. M into 1.1 is 11 by 10 into 1.3 is 13 by 10 into 1.5 is 15 by 10, which is effectively 3 by 2, which is given to us as 4,290. Okay. So 4290 goes by 11, 390 times. 390 goes by 13, 30 times. And 30 goes by 3, 10 times. Okay. So we have M is equal to 10 into 10 into 2 into this 10, which is 2000. So the cost price for the manufacturer is option B, 2000 here. Thank you.